Gates open, they're up and racing. Queen moving up, Fuego, Avon's Treasure, Madame Leonora, then comes Tebaxi, Strong Boy, and Living for Love. Is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Fuego in command by about a length and a half. Avon's Treasure racing in second, down in third, Madame Leonora. Tebaxi racing in fourth by the rail. Queen is on the outside, Strong Boy and Living for Love. Past the last 600, Fuego leading the field. Avon's Treasure moving up by the rail. Then racing in third by the rail, moving up Tebaxi. Queen is on the outside as the action swing for home. Avon's Treasure now moving up by the rail. Fuego drops back in second and moving up in between horses. Tebaxi with 150 to go. Avon's Treasure. Tebaxi. Fuego is on the outside. Queen Madame Leonora. But Avon's Treasure leading the field, and finally Avon's Treasure, Tebaxi, Queen Madame Leonora. Then comes Living for Love, Strong Boy, and Fuego.
576 ang ating